Ali Muhammad Jessa Bhaloo was born on 21st July 1917 in Zanzibar, where he got his early education. Later on, he proceeded to London for a higher education. He also qualified as FIC, Fellow of the Institute of Commerce, and F.R.Econ, S, Fellow of the Royal Economic Society in England. He formed his business soon after he terminated his education, which flourished financially. He was a leading dealer of radio spare parts and some electronic items. He was also the manufacturer's representative and insurance property, etc. Ali Muhammad Jessa Bhaloo was the Honorary Secretary of the Royal Overseas League, London, a member of Chamber of Commerce, Zanzibar and the Indian National Association of Zanzibar, and the President of Muslim Welfare Association for Zanzibar. When he went to London, he was appointed Kamadia, 1933 to 1934. He was also the president of the Boy Scout in Zanzibar. His father Alija Jessa Bhaloo Valji built Alija Jessa Bhaloo Valji Maternity Home in Zanzibar. Mukhi Merali Manji opened it on 21st March 1923. On 30th January 1937, the Imam visited the maternity home supervised by Warsiani Kulsumbai Jessa Bhaloo. The Imam was much pleased to see the family welfare project and blessed Ali Muhammad Jessa and his brother Hussein Jessa. The Imam also visited their residence, close to the maternity home, and had a group picture taken with them. He also served as the Imam's estate agent and attorney. He was appointed the Honorary Secretary of the Ismaili Council in Zanzibar in 1941 and also served as Mukhi, 1943 to 1946. He was a member of the Aga Khan Ismailia Executive Council in 1941 and the Supreme Council for Africa, 1946 to 1955. He was noted for his generosity and donated a large amount to the Aga Khan Maternity Home, Zanzibar. In appreciation of his great and exceptional services, the Imam bestowed upon him the title of Wazir in 1946 with a gold medal. He was also an influential person in Zanzibar. His family arranged a grand reception to honor Sultan Sayed Sir Abdullah bin Khalifa bin Harub to celebrate his 51st birthday on Saturday, 11th February 1961 at the Aga Khan High School, Zanzibar. The entire premises and the grounds were well decorated and illuminated. A large number of Zanzibar's elite community was invited, about 800 honorable guests. When the British President, Sir George Moring, arrived with his wife, they were warmly greeted by Wazir Bhaloo and his family members including Count Ghulam Hussain Ismail. A short while later, Warsiani Kulsumbai Bhaloo received the members of the royal family, including the princesses. Rai Hussain made a welcoming speech and congratulated the guests. Sheikh Syed Umar Abdullah Halalvi, the principal of the Muslim Academy, on behalf of Sultan thanked the Bhaloo family and the Ismaili community. He requested the Ismailia Council to convey to the Imam the efforts sustained by his followers, as well as the Bhaloo family's contribution. He married Shireen Bai, the daughter of Dr. A.J. Merchant of Bombay. He had 4 sons and 2 daughters. Wazir Ali Muhammad Jessa Bhaloo died in Zanzibar on 14th April 1968.